welcome to Money Saving Monday. I'm crashed in Diza's studio right now. I was walking in and noticed she was working on some backgrounds for Sarah. These are, ones that Sarah will be doing demos on, or she'll be showing off samples and swatches and stuff. And it made me think, I wanted to share a tip with you. So what happens is when we go to do these backgrounds, we try and paint the wood first the same color as the glitter. And by doing that, it stretches the glitter out so you don't need as much. It's really, really helpful. So, for example, on this one here, the board's painted pink. She puts pink glitter over it. If a little bit of the paint shows through, your eye's just not going to see it. It's a way to stretch out the glitter so you don't need quite so much. In this one, she did something a little different. She actually painted it pink and put gold over it. Now in this case, a little bit of the pink shows through. I don't know if you can see it on the camera. I'll keep turning it. Hopefully it'll show. But a little pink shows through, and that in itself gives a different feel to it. It gives a different look to it. It allows it to kind of have a two-tone effect. And it doesn't look messy. It actually looks really artsy-fartsy and cool. So base painting underneath your paint is a good idea. I can't tell you how many people have told us they're doing walls or floors, and they're gonna it's a white wall and they're gonna put like a pink glitter over it, and they're not painting the wall pink first. And I'm always like, it's really worth it to take the time to put that paint down first, or else you're going to be working really, really hard making sure absolutely every little bit of white does not show through. But when you have that painted background, it allows you to use less glitter, so get to save some money. Paint's always going to be cheaper than glitter. Okay, just thought I'd give you that tip for today. Have a good one.
Players, round up your money.